Good morning, students. Today I shall teach you about the rate equation and what is specific reaction rate. First we shall see rate equation and rate law. According to law of mass section, the rate of reaction is directly proportional to the product of molar concentration of reactant species raising its power equal to its number of molecules in the rate equation. I have told you about the law of mass section. Consider a reaction AA plus BB gives CC plus DD. Here rate of reaction R, rate of reaction small r proportional to square bracket of A to the power of A मोड़ देते हैं ना A to the power A into B to the power implies R equal to some constant A into A square bracket to the power A into B square bracket to the power, because the reactant है A और B, तो reactant मानकर concentration लो गुना पड़ा. अब power कितना होगा? तंको मुझे जितने गुना है तो power है सर. This is the rate of the reaction, where K is a constant known as rate constant or velocity constant, where A is rate constant or velocity constant, rate constant or velocity constant. R equal to K into A square bracket to the power into B square bracket to the power. You see, if the value of A, molar concentration of A is equal to 1, value of B is equal to 1. If square bracket of A is equal to square bracket of B is equal to 1, then R is equal to K. Eta 1 R is equal to K. R is equal to K. तले रेट कांस्टेंट रेट सहित समान ही जो कितने बड़े ना जितने बड़े मोलार कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ रिएक्टेंट स्पीसीज का एक ही जो अर्थात यूनिट ही यूनिट T. So we can define rate constant or velocity constant K R सहित समान ही जो rate constant rate of reaction सहित समान ही जो जितने बड़े molar concentration of reactant A or B1. So you can define rate constant or velocity constant, or this is also known as specific reaction rate. Note से देखो specific reaction rate. The specific reaction rate is defined as the rate of reaction when the molar concentration of reactant species are unity. Unity means 1. This is the rate law and rate equation and rate constant. Then we see what is the unit of rate constant. What is the unit of rate constant? Unit of rate constant. Unit of rate. So we see R is equal to A into A square bracket power suppose n. So the n गुणा है तो n गुणा power is equal n, where n is the order of the reaction. According to what is order, n is the order over the order of the reaction. So R equal to K into A to the power n. मतलब K equal to कितना हो? R by A to the power. Then what is the unit of K? Unit of R by unit of square bracket of A. The unit of K by rate constant. Unit of K equal to unit of R. R is the rate of reaction. What is the rate of reaction? The unit is mole lead inverse by A square bracket of A. Square bracket of A. Sorry, the rate of reaction the unit is mole lead inverse sec inverse. The rate of reaction mole lead inverse sec inverse. What is the unit of A? Molar concentration mole per liter. Then mole lead inverse over to the power n. Then n achi over to the power. This is the unit of K. Simplify करके लिखते हैं जो एटी मोल टू द पावर 1 আছে এটি মোল টু দি পাওয়ার n আছে তাহলে মোল টু দি পাওয়ার 1 মাইনাস n ইনটু এটি লিড টু দি পাওয়ার মাইনাস 1 আছে এটি লিড টু দি পাওয়ার মাইনাস n মাইনাস n টা উপরে গেলে লিড টু দি পাওয়ার n মাইনাস 1 এটা মাইনাস n টা ক্রস হয়ে যাব মাইনাস 1 ইনটু sec. So this is the unit of K. Unit of K is unit of K is mole to the power 1 minus n into lead to the power n minus 1 into sec. This is the general form of the unit of the rate constant. You see, for zero order reaction by rate constant unit माना for zero order reaction n is equal to 0 से जाओ n जगह 0 से जाओ ताले कितने जाओ for zero order reaction unit of K is mole to the power 1 minus 0 1 into lead n जगह 0 से जाओ minus 1 में जाओ into sec. So this is the unit of rate constant for zero order reaction. अच्छा ये क्या कहा रहा है एक्चुअली ये कहा रहा है यूनिट दिस इज द यूनिट ऑफ रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन यूनिट ऑफ रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन दिस इज द यूनिट ऑफ रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन इटा एग्जाम वैसे व्हाट इज द यूनिट ऑफ रेट कांस्टेंट फॉर जीरो order reaction तो मैं करूँ मोल लेट इनवर्स सेक इनवर्स that is equal to the unit of rate of reaction. Similarly, for first order reaction, n is equal to 1 बसे. For first order reaction, n जगह 1 बसे. चले mol to the power 1 minus 1 0 इधर mol to the power 0 into lead to the power 1 हो एटा 0 हो इनटू खाली sec inverse then what is the unit of rate constant for first order reaction only sec inverse. Similarly for second order reaction n जगह 2 बचे for second order reaction n equal to 2 और 2 n जगह 2 बचे लेके तो वो mol to the power -1 e to the power 1 into sec inverse. This is the unit of rate constant for second order reaction. Then third order. For third order reaction n जगह 3 बचे जो n जगह 3 बचे लेके तो mol to the power -2 into e square into sec. This is the unit of rate constant for third order reaction. Then we shall see what is molecularity and what is order. मैं तुमको ऑनलाइन क्लास रे कहितली बुझे देतली molecularity कोन order तथापि आउथरे तुमको वीडियो रेकॉर्डिंग रे को बुझौची what is molecularity. Molecularity of a chemical reaction is defined as the number of reactant species taking part in a single step reaction. The number of reactant species. Reactant species may be molecule, atom, or ion. The total number of molecules or atoms or ions taking part in a single step reaction is known as molecularity. जेतोटी molecular reaction ले भाग होतबे सेटा कहबो molecular single step reaction. और value of molecularity is always a whole number. Molecularity सबले बड़े पूर्ण संख्या. But example जो N2O5 G gives N2O4 plus half O2. You see N2O5 हमरा केते गुना होची 1 अपन गोटे molecular reaction ले भागन होची so molecularity is 1. Here molecularity is 1. जो मानकर molecularity 1 ताकू कहबो unimolecular reaction. Unimolecular reaction. Some out example देखबले H2G plus I2G gives 2HI. Here number of molecules are 2, so molecularity is 2. Aku कहबो bimolecular reaction. Bimolecular reaction. If the number of molecules is 3, 2NO plus O2 gives 2NO2. Here the number of molecules taking part in this reaction is 3. That is why its molecularity is 3 and it is called trimolecular reaction. Trimolecular reaction. Trimolecular reaction. Then you see what is the characteristics of molecularity. Molecularity is always a whole number. Molecularity सबुळे गोटे पूर्ण संख्या. Molecularity can be determined from a simple balanced equation. Equation को balance कर दबो, balance कर दे कि देखि दबो बा गोटे केतोटी molecular reaction ले भाग होछन बा एटम भाग होछन बा आयन भाग होछन सेटा को molecularity. तेणु molecularity की केवल equation को balance कर भाग करा जाय पारे. आ गोटे कथला molecularity always pertains to a single step reaction. Molecularity सबले single step reaction ले बाहर करा. Molecularity does not depend upon temperature. तापमात्रा ଉପରେ molecularity depend करे नाही. It does not depend upon the temperature. So this is the characteristics of molecularity. Out of the molecule, the value of molecularity never exceeds 3. Molecularity value केवल 3 ରୁ ଅଧିକ ହେଇପାରିବ। So this is all about your molecularity. Then finally, what is order? Order, O-R-D-E-R. Order of a reaction, देखो भला बड़े notes देखो। Order of a reaction is defined as the sum of the योगफल SUM, sum of the powers of the reactant species taking part in the rate equation. Rate equation ले जतेटी molecular reaction ले भाग होतबे तांकर पावर को ऐड कर दो मिसेज। फॉर एग्जांपल ए रिएक्शन पाई ऑर्डर इज इक्वल टू 1 काई ना एटी रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन आर प्रोपोर्शनल टू N2O5 square bracket power ला 1. That is why its order is 1. आपको को जो फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन सेम थी आउट में देखो H2 plus I2 gives to HI. एटी रेट proportional to H2 square bracket power 1 plus I2 square bracket power 1. Then order देखो 1 plus 1 2. This is the definition of order. Order may be 0, fraction and a whole number. Order may be 0 ही परिबो, fraction ही परिबो, भग्नांश भी परिबो, आउ पूर्ण संख्या whole number भी है परिबो। Order cannot be determined from a simple balanced equation. It can be only determined from experimentally. Experiment करके order को बाहर करा जाए। इक्वेशन को बैलेंस करके मॉलिक्यूलरिटी बाहर करा जाय परिबो किंतु ऑर्डर को बाहर करा जाय परिबो नाही। ऑर्डर ऑफ ए रिएक्शन परटेन्स टू रिएक्शन एज ए होल। रिएक्शन लो सब स्टेप को हिसाब देकी ऑर्डर बाहर करा आउ द ऑर्डर ऑफ ए रिएक्शन डिपेंड्स अपॉन टेंपरेचर। ये टेंपरेचर पर डिपेंड करे। दैट मींस द वैल्यू ऑफ ऑर्डर चेंजेस विथ चेंज इन टेंपरेचर। The value of order never exceeds 3. R will be 3 ରୁ ଅଧିକ ହେଇ परिबो नाही। So this is the difference between molecularity and order. एमती भी रिएक्शन अछि गोटे रिएक्शन जो कि molecularity अलगा होतबो ऑर्डर अलगा होतबो। गोटे एग्जांपल दोछि हाइड्रोलिसिस ऑफ इथाइल एसीटेट CH3CO C2H5 plus NaOH plus H2O gives CH3 COOH plus C2H5. You see here molecularity is 2 because two molecules take part in this reaction, so molecularity is 2. But order is 1 because rate of reaction proportional of only CH3 COO C2H5 square bracket 1 into H2O square bracket as a constant होतबारु सेटा को कंसीडर करा जिवो नाही। एले कि देखो लिखा है since the concentration of molar concentration of water is constant, H2O by water molar concentration के चेंज होनी सेटा constant वैल्यू सेटा लिखा करनी। only rate of reaction depends upon the molar concentration of ethyl acetate. Its power is 1, so here order is 1 but molecularity is 2. So this is all about your molecularity and